Hey guys, so in this very first video, I'm going to be showing you the very beginning things I did to start making this Roadtrek my own. There's a lot to do, so excuse kind of the randomness. I'm not used to doing the editing and the filming, but have some patience. Hopefully it'll get better. I know you're going to notice some darkness and then some light and then some darkness. Well, I was doing this mainly at night, and then like right now I'm filming this after the fact, and of course it's in the middle of the day. And when I did the original video, it was at night. So hopefully I will get better at that. Have some patience, have some fun, and I hope you enjoy this very first installment of the van renovation, or the Roadtrek renovation. The Roadtrek that still needs a name. More to come on that. Enjoy! Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, this isn't pretty, but I'm doing it. Ripping up the carpet. Why would there be carpet here anyway? I don't know. I don't get it. But it's glued and stapled. Fun stuff. I'm gonna do it though. All right, let's rip up that carpet. Let's get this done. So something else to make sure you watch all the way to the end for is Oscar. And then I also have just some photos that I've taken along the past 2 weeks since I've had the van that I just kind of threw together in a collage. So hang on till the very end so you can see that, because you know, Oscar's the real star of the show, not me, not the van. It's all about the cat. Love y'all. See you at the end. All right, this carpet is booby trapped. Booby trapped. Let me just tell you, where you think there's not a staple, there's a staple. And yeah, this is dark. I am so sorry. Oh, and look, there's my toilet paper roll. Wonder where my potty's at. Huh. Yeah, this is better. It's a little bit lighter. I just remembered I have lights. It might be smart to use them. So, here we go. This whole area here was carpeted. Do you see these little... Let's see. That didn't work. Let me see if I can do this better. All right, let me try this again. Look. The tetanus nails, staples. They're everywhere. They're not just like, look, there's one right there. They're just random. Whew, my face is all red. I've been pulling because half of this stuff is glued and half of this stuff is stapled. But guess what? Getting it up. One more step down. Okay, just to give you a little bit of like relevance of where we are at. This is kind of underneath. That's the bed area. That's my little mini bed for the next couple nights. It's a little rug I got at the dollar store. I think that's going to be kind of my colors I'm going with. And that's the hole where if you want to put a table, you can. And I've got my generator and hot water heater, and I have no freaking clue what some of this stuff is. But the carpet's coming up, and you can see like it's glue and nails. On a good note, this floor looks good here. I don't see any water damage here. I can't say the same for under the sink. All right, one step done. That carpet's up. I've already removed the carpet that was here. And I have removed the chair that's up in the driver's side. Excuse all this mess because I'm trying to do this and I'm still living in here. And then I removed, it's hard to visualize it, but there was a second chair right here and I removed that. The base is still there, which just so happens to fit Oscar's litter box. And currently Oscar is taking it easy in the other one. So yep, that's just my little update for now. I do have some water damage that, let's see here. There we go. And that is under the sink. I don't know if I can get a good visual of that with my flashlight, but yeah, that's under the sink. So that will have to get repaired. But so far, that's the progress. And there's a better view of my little mini bed until my twin size mattress comes in. And then that's a little rug that I'm putting here for right now. So for now, I just threw this little throw rug here. And it's just to keep my feet from being on the bare wood. And then eventually that will get tiled down or some kind of vinyl treatment. But yeah, there we go. So I guess this is installment number 1 of Roadtrek remodel. Got lots more to come. Thank you for hanging in there with me, and I can't wait to show you the rest. Bye.
Hold on tight. I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there. Hold on tight. I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. When we can't read the sky, we just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.